Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to use this May Tire-Matic tire machine. This particular one is a model M62B, but this ought to work for any tire machine that looks like this. So let's get right into it with how this thing works. You got this foot pedal right here, and that'll rotate your turntable. You got this lever right here, and that'll pinch together your bead breakers. If you lift the upper one out of the way, only the lower one will go. And if you put this little locking bar in front of the lower one, then only the upper one will go. Both of them could be adjusted to whatever wheel size you need. Old machines like these hunger for fingers, so be sure to keep these pizza cutters clear of any and all body parts. Let's put the tire on that we want to dismount. When you do put the wheel on, you want to be sure that this rotating finger goes through one of the lug holes. Then you want to add this little tapered centering screw on it. And be sure that you give it a little wiggle to make sure that you're actually on-centered. Just tighten it by hand, and then you can remove your valve stem. Let's lift the upper bead breaker out of the way so we can focus on the lower one. Now sometimes this bead breaker needs a bit of guiding. Do it with a tire spoon, of course, not by hand. And if you can help it, don't run over the wheel weight. I kind of forgot here. With our lower locking bar in place, let's do the upper one. Now we put our dismount bar in place, grab a tire iron and make sure the tire lip is put on the outside, and then make sure the tire is dropping down into the recessed drop center, and then let it rip. Repeat for the inner lip and you got it off. To mount a tire, we're going to be putting our wheel on the turntable, making sure to line up a finger, of course, and once again dropping our center on. Now we could put on some sealer. I'm doing it from this point because I'm lazy and I can just push the little rotate pedal and not have to walk around the wheel. And then because our tires are directional, we're going to be absolutely sure that the direction of rotation is the way we want it. Now the mounting bar goes in place with the tire lip on the outside. And from there, rotate the tire counterclockwise as far as it'll go. And if you do it this way, once it's finally time to rotate it around, it always drops into place. The top starts the same, but it's a little tougher. So when we get it lined up, we're going to grab one of these tire wedges, and we're going to put it as close to the mounting bar as we can. And now it's all about making sure the lip stays in the drop center. So we're going to grab our tire iron and just slowly work our way around, making sure the lip goes into the drop center. Now because this machine doesn't have a reverse, it's worthwhile to go good and slow, just to be sure you don't get all bound up. This machine doesn't have a bead blaster or anything, so just drop your valve stem in and inflate her up to spec. And that's it, that's the done deal. If you learned something here, I invite you to give the video a like, and if you're anything like me and changing tires in the snow, I hope you appreciate the expeditiously edited video to respect your time and intelligence. If you've got any tips and tricks on how to use one of these, please leave it in the comments. Oh, and if you're looking to buy one of these, just know they really mar up alloys. So if you're working with steelies or you don't care about alloys, these are a great addition to a small garage. They're so slim, they just slide up against any wall, and they're even smaller than those little Coates machines. So I highly recommend it.